Today we will discuss Ova Games, Dodi Repack, and Fitgirl. Repack the installation process will see which SSD is needed, and in which case, if not, then this to know everything. Watch the video till the end. Let's start with Ova Games. So here you will find some such parts. So you have extracted this from part 1. After extracting a folder like this will appear in front of you, go inside it. So you will get this ISO file, open it. You have to run this setup file from here. You have to do it, and after doing OK, click on it from here. Next, where you need that much space, yes, you have to put some optional thing there. Even if you skip this, it is here the game will be installed from Ova Game. After that, it comes on Fitgirl. There is some more parts in it. Extract from part 1. You have to extract it. After this setup has some settings. It has to be done like setup on Windows 7. Do this and you have some settings for it. I have to do what I am getting shown on screen, giving full control to it and applying this. After that, you have to run the setup. And there are a few things you need to keep in mind about this. Because here you need a high-end PC. You can see it here. How much space asking for the game installation? You have to install the game inside the SSD. Please uncheck them. And from here you can now Dodi setup, we have run it. After that, you will press up button from the keyboard. You have to press it and click on install here. You have to do it, and by proceed here, you have to click on it. There should be a space on it, and this DirectX 1 should be unchecked. If you want to install it in SSD, is required for every repack if you are talking about better install time. And so Dodi and Ova Games in them with SSD inside installation makes a difference of 15 to 20 minutes. This reduces your install time. After that, if we talk about Fitgirl, then it is SSD, also depends a lot. You get the difference if you go for SSD. To install a Fitgirl Repack game, there is a world of difference. So try to install an SSD if you are using Fitgirl Repack.